part 6 for measuring model 1966. So in the last video we determined the area of some exposed windows for the kitchen, and we left off because we needed to have a look at this particular window. Now granted, it says patio door. Sometimes we call it a sliding glass door. However, because it is essentially all glass, it is always included in the window area. So even though we call it a patio door or a sliding glass door, it's considered glass. And so it will always go in a glass row. You will not put a patio door in the door rows, okay? Patio doors are basically all glass, and so they'll be included in the glass area. Now with the patio door, it says that it's 5 feet wide, so that would be this distance here. Now note that it's given in 5 feet already, so that's not inches anymore, this is feet. So now the next thing we would need to do is measure this distance here to see how tall the door is in this case. However, you'll notice that right here is a handy dimension that says that it is 6'10" to the top of the window. So in this case, the window here, or the sliding glass door here, is 6'10". So in that case, you don't need to measure anything, but we'll simply, for the sake of rounding, round this up to 7 feet. So therefore, if the height of the patio door is 7 feet and the width is 5 feet, then of course we know that the area of the patio door is 35 square feet. And because the patio door is actually on the southeast side of the building, we're going to add 35 square feet to the southwest row. So 35 square feet goes in here for glass, because remember, it is called a patio door, but because it's glass, you will include it in the glass area. Now for a door, if you're looking at a door, this is the symbol for a door, and we can see that in this case we need to add this door into the room behind this wall. But for our kitchen, we don't have anything that looks like this. So for the kitchen, there are no doors to add into the worksheet. So therefore, you can leave the door rows blank. So now what this means is that we need to establish what our net frame plus brick wall area is going to be. And so because our gross wall area is 310 square feet, we need to subtract the area of any windows and or doors. So 310 subtract 10, subtract 33, subtract 10, subtract 35 equals 222 square feet of net frame plus brick. So that's all net area is taking gross area, subtracting the area of any windows and doors, and that is your net area. Now we've got our headers. So the basement header is associated with the basement. So the first floor header is going to be associated with any room on the first floor. Now we established that the total distance around the kitchen is 38 38.75 feet. We also established that the first floor header is 1 foot high. Therefore, the area of exposed header for the kitchen is going to be 38.75 feet times 1 foot high, which means that that becomes 38.75 square feet. And because this is square feet, we would round it up to 39 square feet. So your first floor header for the kitchen is going to be 39 square feet.